Well, I hope you guys like that intro there. Um, in this video, what I want to show you guys, so I've been looking on Google and everything online, and everybody likes to bump their servers, via open bump. Liam's another bump bot. Servermate's another bump bot. But another main one that's across like worldwide is disboard. And everyone keeps asking, like, is there an auto bump so I don't have to come in here and bump all the time and yada yada. Well, sadly, there's not. There is no auto bump feature, yada yada, but I have kind of found a way around that. Um, I made a click script, so rather than having to bump on here, so what some people believe is you can set a bot up to every couple hours say bump, but the issue there is bots don't communicate with other bots. So that's just kind of out of the question. Um, what I'm going to show you here actually works. I tried this last night and it was bumping both servers for 8 hours straight while I was sleeping, and yeah, I got a few people that came into both servers, and it was pretty successful. So I figured I would come and share my success with you guys. Um, so here we go. If we go over to disboard itself, right? You all should know how to use this if you're familiar with Discord servers. What happens here is you bump your server and it becomes one of the top servers here, right? So again, everyone doesn't have time to bump their servers, right? So what you want to do here is have at least two servers that you own, right? So no matter what, they're going to swap spots back and forth, regardless. And this bump button's going to be in the same spot every time. So the issue with just doing a click script every hour or so is, see how this reds out like that? It won't go back to like a pointer like this unless the mouse makes a move somewhere and then back to its point, right? So what I've done is I've made a click script that will move, come back, and click, right? And I set this to every hour and 5 minutes. So every hour and 5 minutes, it's bouncing back and forth, bumping each server, right? So yeah, this works best with two servers that you own, of course. And yeah, you want to bump them both. I'll show you how it kind of works here. Oh, there's my daughter. She's so cute. So let's open just a text document, all right? Just so you can see how this click thing's gonna work. So I made it go fast pace here, so you guys can get the right idea. My controls to get this going is Control Z will start it, and then Control X will stop it. So Control Z, boom, click, right? I have it set right now, so it's gonna go every second, right? It's gonna go back and forth, click, back, forth, click, back, forth, click, right? You get the idea of that? So I'm gonna Control X to stop that. Come down here and I'm gonna exit that script, right? Because that's quick and I want it set out to an hour, right? That hour and 5 minutes, which is right here. Now I'm not gonna give away my secrets. I know this is kind of educational purposes. But if you guys do want this script from me, oh, I don't know, it's kind of stingy, but I'm gonna have to charge like 100 Dodge. But yeah, on Discord, you can come over to my server. I will put the link in the, not in the description, but you come to my server and you talk to me, and I will sell you this click script. So yeah, I'll show you exactly how this works now. I'm not going to leave the video running for an hour because that's just kind of crazy. But you get the idea of how that goes fast. Here, let's go that one. Close this. And you got to keep this full screen. Just so the bump buttons do not go up or down or anything, right? You want to keep it relatively in the same position. So all that's going to happen here is these two are going to swap spots, right? So I'm going to do my Control Z, going to go back, bump that server, right? And now in 1 hour and 5 minutes, it's going to bump this server, right? And then they're going to swap spots. The reason why an hour and 5 minutes is because every time you bump a server, right, it gets a 2 hour cooldown time, right? But your next server only has a half an hour. So you don't want to be greedy and go like half hour spaces. You want to keep it at an hour and 5 minutes, mainly because I don't know if disboard's okay with this. They're probably not, or else they would have a click bot. But yeah, that's this is my way around it, right? So you can exit that script anytime. To use this script, it's auto hotkey. I will also put the download description in there. This is my wife's server. I'm trying to advertise that for her a little bit. But yeah, here's my server a little bit. It's mainly referral links. You know, people can come here. They're fairly active. They come, they post their links. Of course, I got rules. If you come, post a link and leave, I'm sorry, but gonna have to ban you. It's the only way to get rid of all your messages, and it's not really fair to come to my server, leave a link, and then just leave. So if you're gonna come here, please be a part of it. Check out all I have to offer. Right, I have different faucets you can visit. Bitcoin faucets, different wallets, 24-hour faucets, CoinPot faucets. If you guys know about this, mainly Bitcoin, right? But yeah, it's a lot of direction on where you can go online to get some free Bitcoin and whatnot. I got a dice server, so you can come here and play some dice with the bot, and I do giveaways every now and then, like nothing crazy, but you know, um, yeah, it's mainly an advertising and a direction site for everybody, right? So everyone has the right direction on where to go, on where to get some free Bitcoin, and yeah, I'll put my server link in the description. And I hope you guys like this video. And keep bumping your servers, guys. Alright, ciao, man.